Hi everyone, welcome to my channel called Goblin Boutique, and my name is Zoa if you guys don't know who I am. So today I am just going to be unboxing my new heat press. So my husband's going to help me set up. So the heat press already came in like 2 weeks ago, but I didn't have time. And so this week I made some time to clean up this room. And I'm going to put it on this IKEA Alex drawer. I bought this from Heat Press Nation. So I forgot. I think it's their new edition that they just start selling on their website. There's the pink one and the mint green one, and I got the mint green. So, they put this big board on it.
Can you put this on top too or no?
No. I think that's just a board to protect it. Just let him come in here. So, hey baby Cla, you want to come in here? You want to help us? Okay. Yep. Baby Cla wants to help. So, I think this is about 50 pounds. Pretty heavy. I don't have a garbage. Just put it there. I don't have a garbage yet. So baby Cloud wants to be in here. Hey baby Cloud. And then daddy will put... You were opening my drawer, huh?
Should this be a little bit more on this side?
I don't know. Just... So if you guys don't know, I have 2 craft space because I don't have room in my other room. So this is more like my inventory office room. And I don't have a space for my heat press over in my sewing embroidery room. So the heat press is going to stay in this guest room. So the guest room, I have this whole section over here for like inventory and my laptop, Cricut machine, and printer over here. And then on this side I have the guest bed over here. I mean, we don't really have guests that come over to sleep often, but we just have here in case. And then it's a sofa bed too, so I can make it into a sofa and then relax. Oh, don't touch this, baby.
That's really nice.
So my husband's going to be doing all the hard work, lifting it up and setting it up. And then later on, I will show you guys how it looks, and we're going to do a test. I bought some simulation paper pack on a Facebook group. I'll be sharing that with you guys, and then we'll be testing out. I need to go get a polyester shirt from Hobby Lobby, like those Cricut brand. The Cricut shirt is 100% polyester, so I'm going to be testing that later. Okay, so my husband took it out. Oh my gosh, it's a really large one. Can we face it forward like that?
Okay, hold on. Oh, no, you're gonna scratch it though.
I think I have to save this box. I'm going to put it in the garage.
Yeah,
when we move.
they want you to save it off.
They want me to save it?
In case for warranty purposes.
Yeah, I saved most of my like boxes for like big buys, like especially. Well, I did not save the 10 needle box because we have to rip it open. So, but like I saved most of my sewing machine box. So this box is pretty sturdy. I'm gonna save this.
Face this way?
Yeah, I'm going to save it so like if we ever move, I could put it back in there for safe transportation.
Okay, you want to hold on.
Oh my god, there's so heavy.
I don't know if it's gonna be secure.
It has to be this
Yeah.
way.
Yeah, you can do it.
It has to be this way because when I heat press it, I'm gonna lift it up.
Yep, that's
And
it.
then
Just cut that whole cord.
I don't want it to be like, I need it to be a little bit toward the wall,
Just move on
but not so close to it. Yeah, this is perfect.
that. Here we go. Ribbon cutting.
The heck, ribbon cutting.
There you go. That's it.
Let's try to open it. How the heck do you even open this? Sorry, I am new at this. This is a gorgeous color. I was gonna get the pink one, but I'm like, oh, I like my mint green color.
Silicone pad. This is silicone
So
pad.
I'm gonna be showing you guys later how I'm gonna use this.
More flattened
So that's it, you guys. This is just an unboxing video.
computer game.
I'll let my husband figure it out.
Pressure knob.
And then when we figure it out, I'll come and show you guys
Computer game.
how I use it, my very first use. I'm gonna do a mom life shirt. I'll show you guys later. Yeah, so my husband is gonna be making my shirt for me. So you gotta make sure it's about 2 inches down on the neckline. There's a ruler down there. The bottom neck.
Bundle.
Yeah. There. I think probably 1.5. That look like it's too low. Because that's a V-neck. So probably 1.5. So my husband's gonna make me my first shirt on my heat press.
Even out, you know. I need to.
It doesn't have to be even. Oh my god. See how he do it. So he's gonna make the first shirt on the heat press. First shirt ever. And if you're doing sublimation, you have to use polyester shirts. It has to have a high count polyester. So the good one would be 65% polyester. But this one is the Cricut one because I didn't order any. I was just testing my heat press out. So I just bought this white shirt from Hobby Lobby. You can get from Hobby Lobby and Michael's or Joann's. And this is the Cricut brand. So, you forgot a step. You're supposed to tape it down so the design doesn't move.
Oh.
My husband already forgot. It's to get the step down. Okay, so I'm gonna we didn't heat it up early. Oh my god, it takes such a long time to heat up. I think we started 5 minutes ago and it's still at 236 degrees. It needs to be at.
How do you cut this?
You have to pull back the yellow thing. The yellow.
Back? Down?
No.
Up?
Toward you.
I know.
Down. Oh my god. You're having a hard time. But it broke, so we have to make sure you don't break anything because we have to return it. Yeah, I didn't realize that my tape dispenser already broke on like the yellow plastic thing broke. I mean, it doesn't affect the functionality of it, but it broke a chip a little bit. So right here, see the yellow. This yellow thing broke on the other side. So I have to return that. Yeah, my husband's like too careful and trying to be precise. You should take the top and bottom too. Why do you only take the two sides?
That's what they only did in the picture. In the video.
I know, but I wanted to be secure. You know, this is the first shirt, and my husband's making this for me. I'm just gonna just press it straight on like that and see how, if it creates like those harsh line around the shirt, because I know that a lot of people that I watch, they have that issue with a harsh line.
They don't even take this side, huh?
Yeah.
Because they can.
So if this has a really harsh line, I will have to try the other method that I saw on TikTok and YouTube. Like they tear a little bit around the edge of the paper so it doesn't have like a hard line. So I'll try that next after my husband do this first one with me and see how this one go. So this is just our test. So I will show you guys back when we're ready to press, because it's just taking forever to heat up. So make sure you heat it up. It's probably going to take us like 10 to 15 minutes to heat up, because it's already like 5 minutes now. So, oh my gosh, this thing heat up so long. It's probably like 15 minutes. Not even done heating up. And it's sucking a lot of my electricity, because look at my lamp, you guys. It's like flickering. See? You can see that. Oh no. This I think all heat press gonna be like that, because they take a lot of energy to heat it up. So yeah, it's a little bit scary, because I'm scared like my electricity might, I don't know, my husband keeps scaring me that it might explode. I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't explode. I mean, I see a lot of people use this same one and nobody has issues though. You just cannot use like so much out like power in the same room, right? So I have to turn off some light and only let the ceiling light on. Oh my god, there's still a couple more degrees left. I'll show you guys when my husband starts pressing it. Okay, so it's finally at 375, so we're gonna push it in and then close it. Is the timer on?
It's on.
Okay. So 45 seconds. You know, when you open it, some steam's gonna come off.
Well.
So why is the temperature going back down?
Because it's releasing some of the heat. That's fine.
It's going down so low.
No, it's not. It's above 370. It's good.
Okay, pull it out. See how it looks. Slowly. Oh, take out the butcher paper.
You want to wait a little bit or no? I have to turn this off first, right? Do we need any more?
Wait. Slowly lift the side. See how it looks. Did it transfer? Did it transfer well? Yes, it does. Oh, I still have a little bit ink left. So still have more ink left. I'm gonna save it to do like a tote bag. Yay! Okay. You can turn off now. Let me see.
Okay.
Oh, it is so vibrant, so pretty. And we're gonna test it out later, like how it wash too. So vibrant, pretty. Okay, that's it. My husband. I don't know. Can you see if there's any harsh line?
Harsh line.
Like, you know where the paper.
No.
Oh, there's no harsh line. I think it's only if you do the bleach shirt. Thing with this, I don't see no harsh line.
Good.
Yay, success.